You're all ready for camping? All set to go?
River rats.
Yeah, that's what he calls it. Oh, here we are. Come on. Oh, yes. Good girl.
Water? Okay.
Man, it's hot.
Say hello, little man. Look at that. Is Nanny say hello?
Hey!
Good one.
Sugar, coffee, tea. Yeah, you have to pack it all away. Oh, you got to pull them off straight away, yeah.
Poppy might not.
Let go. Yeah. And then she has to be punished. We're gonna have to. We need to work out. We need to work out a Brita fridge system.
What's
Esky.
wrong?
You know what you guys should get?
Yeah.
You should get an actual fridge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've been thinking about. looking
Yeah,
at
and
one.
keep it in your tent.
Come here. Good girl. Good girl.
Strong. Yeah. What is so strong?
That's a strong current.
You can't sit there without falling. Oh, that's so cold.
Sit.
Sit down.
Let's go at these guys.
That it's going to
99%
Darling, some really?
of stuff it filters out, yep.
Barney? Want that?
Sounds like if there's no other water
Yeah,
around, I
left
would have it. No, that was the dad.
Yeah, that's more like it.
That's really noisy when you're in there. Actually, you could use that. Oh, if it's filtered, you could use that for a shower.
Yeah, true. Tastes good.
Yeah.
Tastes fine.
Have you actually smell it in here yet?
Where we were at Illenbach, you really would only need to take like 500 ml of water
Yeah.
while you're walking. And then when you get down to the campsite, you can just fill up water and filter it.
Exactly. Yeah.
You save so much weight on water.
It would have been great. Perfect.
Puppy. That's not your bed. That's Abby's. Yeah. You'll be a good girl. That was nice.
Good. It is a good tent, eh?
Like even just getting dressed in, it's like a little house.
what they should make? Oh, somewhere a bag bag. You pop.
Yeah.
And you
Yeah.
you set it up with your hiking pole, and that's stuff like the company being like active. That's one by the way.
Your water's boiling though. Yeah, very interesting. And they actually apparently started it back in November. Hang on, no, sorry, October or September. We're only just finding out about it. But even amazing that they've made a chemical that can stop cows from farting. You know? Like, who comes up with that? What the heck?
So is it in Tesco? Or
Hey.
are they testing it at the moment?
No, it's actually being added to them.
Think too much about the way that they cows are treated.
Oh, I know. It's too sad. Yeah, no, too sad.
Even when I see lots of cow trucks because they go to the B&B.
Oh,
If
yeah.
I sit and beside one too long and think about it,
You're
I'm
just
like,
so sad. You're
I'm
going
like,
to
man, I gotta not
vegetarian.
Stop thinking about that. 'cause it's
You
too
do. It
depressing.
is sad,
'Cause at the B&B,
Yeah, it was a pain trying to get him to take the ones we brought back from France, from Spain, just to uni. I had to put him in his bag
Oh, really?
to take him.
Oh. And Danish or Chucky?
I'll have one of each. Thank you. Oh yeah.
Sorry. You love camping.
it's okay, baby. get a nut.
Just let me show you this.
Close call.
Oh, what?
Sounds like you've been mowing some cows. You did. They were on a buggy.
We'll just probably need some cheese and a barbecue sauce.
Man, that gets hot.
And I think that's it. So if you come get some plates ready, please. And oh, you wasn't saying cheese.
Yep.
Do you want a paper plate on that?
I have got paper plates now.
Oh, please.
Look how bright that is. Wow.
And put a bun on each.
I won't have a bun.
Why is it so good?
And then I just added peas and corn. And I actually froze this last night. It was rock solid. So we just defrosted it today and reheated it.
Yummy.
Yeah.
There's always a chance that flap on your eye that gets lasered can come open.
Yeah.
Can I just have your light over here for a second? away. Eh?
Do you need the grinder? You're going to use the grinder and everything?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Have you got beans?
Yeah. I sure do. Yeah,
What's this one?
Beans is in there.
Oh, I like that. Where'd you get that from?
AliExpress. I just saw that camping video. Oh, it's so good how you guys go camping. Really love hearing just the, hey, you guys just talk naturally. Just the
Who said
camping chatter.
Oh, right.
So true. That.
So when you did that fart yesterday, John, and is that camping chatter?
Yeah. Yeah, I turned the volume up for that one.
I'm going to start buying you some biodiverse, what's it called?
Methane inhibitors.
Yeah.
Did you put that on? Oh, that's 3D printed.
Yeah, yeah. Designed this one to fit perfectly.
So that you
3D
can
printed.
do that, exactly that.
Yeah. I wanted to make it as thin as possible that I can pack it together. Every other one that I've seen, everyone uses like a timber board or something,
Yeah,
but it takes up a lot of room.
but that you can actually put it in there.
Yeah, as in put in there, and as thin as, and 3 pieces, and it's great. Yeah, very handy. I'll probably make this tray available so other people can 3D print it.
Oh, that's smart too.
Yeah.
And it was
So-
sealed until yesterday.
That's 2-week-old
Oh, really?
milk. That's been opened and left in the pantry. Oi, what do you think you're doing?
That won't, no, it only gets against the heat, I think, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's still hot right now.
How is it?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
So
Better
just
than-
very quickly, just to just keep an eye.
better than McDonald's?
Mm-mm.
Because
So
you're gonna have
cute.
to rehome him.
Where are we going to put him?
I don't know, we just can put him by the river. You got him? Oh, he's cute.
Alright, come on, let's go. Come on. Go, Bird. Can you get up? Alright. There we go. Good girl. All comfy?